Now, coming back for the part 2 of this module of 2D to 3D drawing. What we have here is a simple object which is color coded, as in the top surfaces here are red, the side surfaces are black, alright, and the fact that you have it transparent so that you can see through, right? So now I'm going to try to first draw this object in oblique, in this direction, in oblique projection. So what I'll do is I'll quickly I'll sketch out the overall square shape, and then this part here is a section of a square cut out, right? So this is my basic front profile. Okay, and because of oblique projection, if I were to draw it, I do a little sketch here. It's going up this way, right? So all the angles are going up in a 45-degree manner. So I'm going to do a projection of these lines, all having the same distances. And if I were to connect the back part of it, this is my shape. So for this is oblique projection for this particular simple exercise. Now, if I were to draw this in isometric, so basically I will draw the side profile again in an isometric crepe, alright, and project the line downwards, alright, and every single line there will be a certain thickness. So I'm going to project the back surface, and then I'm going to connect here, here, and because this has the same thickness, I'm going to just join the lines. Okay, this way, and I would get my three-dimensional shape, which is, if I took this at a certain angle, you can see that I will be able to see all the black surfaces, but unfortunately for the rear end, I won't be able to see, so I will see this, right? And that is isometric. For this second part, I will try to draw this object, okay, in both isometric and oblique. So in the same way, I will try to draw the crepe. This is for the oblique, right? And I will draw down, right, the steps, and this is my side profile. Okay, and what I'll do now, because oblique, same again, it's all at a certain 45-degree angle. I'll project my lines 45 degrees, or if you want to, you can just quickly draw the back surface, and then I will project the lines 45 degrees. Right? Then I connect the dots. Right? So in this way, this is my three-dimensional shape. Okay, so this is for oblique projection. Right? For isometric, I'll create the crepe Alright, I'll draw to give you the idea of the thickness. Okay, then now I will draw in the steps. So the side profile, the steps. And now I will add in the thickness, all going at the angle that I have, parallel to one another, parallel to the axis, which is my chicken feet. And now I will join. And so I have my three-dimensional shape from here. Right? Right, welcome back. Now, this is a slightly more difficult shape because I have the slanted surface here, which I color it purple color. Alright? My verticals and horizontal are black and red. Right? So, for this particular surface, how am I going to draw it? Okay, so let me start with oblique again. So if I will draw the square crate, I would add in the first part, which is my step, and I know that this part here is where the start of the slanted surface is, and then I will join. Alright, so this is my side profile in the oblique drawing. And because my axis is going off at a certain angle, I'm just going to add every one of them at a certain angle. And if I were to draw the back surface, that's what I'll get. Right? And then I join all the dots. So, this is my oblique. Right? For my isometric, I'm going to draw the crate again. And draw in the overall thickness. Now I mark out all the little parts. So this part is going up. You're going to go in, because for the isometric, the lines are parallel to the axis. So this is parallel. Now going further up. Now, because the slanted lines are not parallel to the isometric axis, I have to construct them. So I know this part is halfway, somewhere the halfway of this block. So I mark out this, and I know that this is my slanted surface. Right? Now, all my other lines are parallel to the axis, so I'll just extend it out. And I can construct the back profile. Okay? Now, I will just have to join this line, and there comes my isometric three-dimensional shape over here. Now for this particular exercise, I'm going to draw this particular shape which has a curve and a slanted surface on the reverse side. If you look from here, you realize that you should be able to see the front part, but not, and only the front part of this slanted one, but not the reverse side. And there is some hidden parts which cannot be seen, right? And obviously this back surface here cannot be seen. So to draw this using oblique, I'll again mark out the overall shape, here, then what I have is there's a point here where I will join, and this is a curve. So this is my basic side profile in the oblique view. Being the axis is at an angle, all my lines I will extend. Right? And all my other lines will be parallel to this. There's a line hidden from here, so I can't be seen. I'm just going to draw this vertically down, and I'm just going to construct this. So this is my side profile 3-dimensional shape in oblique view. Okay, like this. Now for isometric, in a similar way, I will construct my quick crate in this manner. Let me erase that line. Okay, this is my basic crate, and I know that there's going to be a vertical line down similar to this side, down, and there's going to be a dot, okay, here where I'm going to draw my curve and then my slanted area. Right, so it's the same basic side profile that I have, but now in the isometric way. Right, now I'm going to extend all my lines at the axis is again parallel, so all my lines are going to go this way, this way, this way, this way. There is a line here and it's going to run behind and you cannot see it. So I'm going to construct my vertical line down. Here is an arc, so that will follow, and so this is behind, so I cannot see. Alright, and so this is my 3-dimensional shape in isometric projection.